Alright, so here's the EM2 again. Just like I said in the last video, all I did was I think it's an M4 washer in there, popped that apart and flipped it over because washers are punched, and so I am going to try it and see if the other way up is just enough to let the governor weights fall properly. Otherwise we'll try another modification, and I may resort to the bending thing. As I keep repeating, I don't know that I have a good way to do that, bending the weights on the arm there, so I don't want to do that until it's an absolute last resort, just because I'm not sure I have a setup to do that without damaging anything, and I don't want to deal with the consequences if I don't have to. So, fire this up and see how it goes. It should either work okay or stick the Aha! I think we got it.